Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy shitcoins on Trust Wallet. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. Make sure to carefully write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a very secure, private location. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds if you lose your device, so keep it safe. Next, you'll need to fund your Trust Wallet with BNB, which stands for Binance Coin. You can buy BNB directly within the Trust Wallet app using a credit card or other payment methods. Another option is to transfer BNB from an exchange like Binance. When transferring, always ensure you select the Binance Smart Chain, or BEP20, network to avoid losing your funds. Now let's get to swapping. Open the D-Apps browser within your Trust Wallet. If you don't see it, you might need to enable it in your settings. Once in the browser, connect to a decentralized exchange such as PancakeSwap. Here, you will select BNB as the from currency and paste the contract address of the altcoin you wish to buy into the to field. Before confirming your swap, you might need to adjust the slippage tolerance, especially for newer or volatile coins. A common starting point is 1%, but you might need to increase it to 5 or even 10% if your transaction keeps failing. Once set, confirm the swap and review all the details. Your new altcoin will then appear in your wallet. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.